A generous grant from the Empire Health Foundation allowed SPS to expand our scratch cooking program district-wide over the past few years. Among the new recipes is a scratch-made pizza that includes crusts made of grain grown, milled, and baked right here in the Inland Northwest.
My farm, North Face Farms, is located in and around Reardon. You can't ask for any more locally growing than, from here right into Spokane. It's our back door.
So the region of Shepherd's Grain growers is mostly eastern Washington and northern Idaho. We buy their wheat and we preserve the identity of the wheat all the way through the milling process into the flour so that you can trace back a bag of flour to the farmer who grew it.
Spokane Public Schools came to us as a local purveyor to try and create a scratch pizza crust that meet the nutritional specifications that are required. We work directly with Shepherd's Grain to bring a product in that's milled locally at ADM, and that's the key ingredient, that's the base of the product.
The importance of knowing where your food comes from just brings greater awareness to what actually goes into farming, and it provides a real educational opportunity. Children in Spokane schools could actually be eating something, made by Shepherd's Grain that is grown just 20, 30 miles away from Spokane.